Hey, Goofy, Pluto. Look at this Bow Wow duo. Look at this. Ah! Well, I was saying, Goofy, you kind of look.
Is it Eugene or is it Flynn?
No, it's Flynn. It's Flynn Rider, definitely. But real name is Eugene Fitzherbert. But yeah, only Rapunzel thinks that Eugene sounds much better than Flynn Rider. I don't know.
Oh no, I like the Flynn. I think I like Flynn better. You're like, eh.
Well, I'm trying to decide which I like better for Goofy. Goofy or Dippy Dog? I'm not sure.
He's like, get me out of here.
He's like, no. Yeah, Goofy, I know what they originally called you. D-double-P-Y, D-A-W-G. It's a tongue twister. Yeah.
But you? I have pictures?
Yeah. You do, you look like a piano player with that on, Goofy.